Hi guys, and welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back if you've been here before. So this is what we're dealing with at the moment. So this is going to be a video of me just getting things, they're very decor, so undecorating my room and life, and then afterwards I'll show you how everything's looking so far. Obviously not everything is perfect yet, but you know, I can only do so much with the money that I've had. so I'll show you how things are looking so far, and also do a bit of a haul of where I bought all the things from, and I'll leave every single link of every single thing that I bought in the description, so if you want to go check it out, you can do that. So it's been raining, so I've been walking in and out here on the dirty floor. So I brought the broom from inside. I need to sweep here anyway. So starting with my room, I need to sweep, sort out the bedding, and then and like the hairdryer and the straightener and stuff, like clean up this area here. And my lamps, my bedside lamps, are still here from when I was filming the other day, so I need to bring those back, sort out an extension cable for this side of the bed, and then the big job is the bathroom. I need to sort that out. Check out this, guys. I bought this selfie this ring for selfies on your phone, but it's got a clip thing, and the lighting in the bathroom is quite bad because it's right from the top. So like how do I do this? So yeah, so this is how it looks when I'm putting makeup on. You can see because of the light coming from the top, it's not the best, but then I just clip this thing onto the mirror. I mean, it's not amazing, but it's better. So I'll put this, I got this off Takealot, I think it was 150 rand, so I'll put that in the description. Anyway, why we were here was I got all my shelves are finally put up, so I got all the stuff to put on the shelves. So okay, I think I'm going to bring in my side tables. These I was given by my best friend's mom. Bronnan's mom gave these side tables to me, and they're quite nice and tall, which I like, which is like unusual. They're really unstable though, so I'm probably only going to put the side lamps on them. They were brown, like wood, and I spray painted them. It took me two cans of spray paint because I did the first round and I did it really badly, and then my dad did the second one and it was much better.
I'm good, thank you. Just give me a sec, Roxanne, do you read the instructions?
Yeah.
Because you're standing, no, sorry, I'm just talking to Roxanne. You're standing too close. Look out.
So you would have seen these lights in my other video. I bought the actual frame thing from a company called 11 Past. So I discovered them because they did a sponsored post on Instagram, and I just saw it on my feed and I was like, wow, cool. They were having a sale, so I bought these on sale. In case anyone was wondering, lights don't come with the bulb. which I didn't know. So I was super bleak that I paid so much money for these and they didn't come with the bulb. So I had to buy bulbs. And looking back, I would have preferred to have gotten the ones without the silvery color. I would have got the ones with the more copper goldy color. And also these are quite bright. I would maybe have got a lower wattage or whatever they're called, because yeah, they are quite bright. But I mean, when you turn off the lights, but yeah, I've got them now, so it's fine. They're nice. Okay, so I brought a bunch of stuff over from the house that I need to sort out and do the bathroom. So let's do that next. Let me just show you the hair dryer. I almost said hairdresser. I bought this on Take A Lot. It's a Russell Hobbs. So I bought a new hair dryer, so I'm going to try it out for the first time now on myself, because I've already blow dried Palmer's dreadlocks with it, but I haven't used it on my own hair, so I'm going to try the hair dryer now. And it was alright. It wasn't bad. It's quite small and it's not like super powerful. Don't judge my hair today on the goodness or badness of the hair dryer. I just sometimes like a little bit more like body and voos than like plain and boring, so. Okay, so first things first, I think I'm gonna sort out the straightener and the hair dryer and make that pretty. These things are not pretty, just look neater. This is my speaker, and these are to go in the shower. I put my handbag up there because it matches the gold, so, and my other handbag is behind it, the black one. And then I brought this little thingy to put my keys in every time I come through the door, but I'm not quite sure yet where I want to put it, where it's going to look nice. I love this thing. I love these beads, so I don't know yet. Maybe how's that? Okay, well, temporary. We'll do that for temporary. So this is my box of junk that I need to, not junk, box of stuff that I need to sort out in the bathroom. Okay, that looks much better with the straightener and the hair dryer over there. I think I'm just going to hide this away. I don't want to put it into a box because I use it like super regularly, so I want it to be easy to grab. So I think I'm just going to hide it here behind my handbag so that I can grab it whenever I need to. I think let's start on the bathroom. So those are just belts, and then here I've got two candles from Woolies, and they like happen to match perfectly, and the sorbet is my favorite sorbet cream as well. That's just a scarf over there. So yeah, so I think I'm gonna start on the bathroom. So I'm just gonna empty this out so long. Oh, by the way, this is, if anyone wants to know what color my wall is, this wall, it is this one, Green Swamp, from, okay, anyway, so, yeah. So like I said in my other video, this hand towel is from Mr. Price Home, bath mat from Mr. Price Home, and this bath towel is from Mr. Price Home. And then I'm gonna put up these things. So funny story, when me and Taylor went to Builders to buy these things, these suction things kept falling off throughout the whole shop, so we kept like having to walk, like retrace our steps to find these stupid suction things. So it was actually quite a comical shopping experience, but I'm very skeptical about these. I'm very skeptical to see if they're gonna work, but they were cheap, which is why they're probably not gonna work. But yeah, let's see. So that's how they look. I am 100% sure these are gonna fall down. So this one I stuck on, I wet the suctions first, and those ones I didn't wet. If it makes a difference, let's see. I'm gonna try my, okay. And this is full, so. Okay, so I wondered if this one might move because it's on the grouting there. Yeah, no. So, oh, Aish. I think I might just take the suctions off and stand them in the corners and put the stuff on the things on the floor in the corners, because I don't know if I like them up there anyway. So a very expensive floor tray. Typical. So half of them fell off and the other half won't come off the wall. My life, seriously. Ugh. So that looks okay. I'm fine with that. It looks neater than having them standing all over everywhere. The only thing is, after every single shower, we're going to have to remember to empty the thing out because water's going to collect in there and get stiff. But otherwise, I'm okay with that. It looks neat. All is not lost. Then I have no space in this tiny place, so I keep my washing basket in the shower to hide it away. Okay, Operation Shelves. Let me put the other toilet roll. Still stealing toilet rolls from my mom. Thanks, Mom. My boxy from Bumbo's that I'm so happy about. Okay, so now for the shelves. These shelves, they're just glass that we got from Lens Glass, and the brackets, they came with the brackets and they came with the screws as well. So got that all from Lens Glass. Okay, so to you this might just look like a piece of paper with nonsense on it, but this, boys and girls, this is my Pinterest inspired how the bathroom is going to look. So we've got the one jar for toothbrushes, one jar for earbuds and cotton pads. Then this is a incense whatever thing, a picture, and then candle, and then the two soap dishes, soap and hand cream dispensers, and a plankie, and then a little box to keep all the things in that I don't want to see that are lelik but I need in the bathroom. So let's start with these. So these bottles I bought, I think the shop is called Essentially Natural. Like I said, every single thing that I've mentioned I will put in the description. So I bought these. They were 15 Rand. What the heck? Like, these are so beautiful. So I'm gonna put my inspo here of what I want to do with these. The only thing is I went to Mambo's and I couldn't find a nice pump thing, so I'm gonna have to go to Plastics and see if they have one. So for now, I should have actually got the 500ml ones. These are only 250, but they'll do for now. 15 Rand, like, really, I think, and the delivery was only 45 Rand, I think. So those are for here. Don't have a plant yet. The box, so for like my pill, my moisturizer, these toner, my contacts, where's that thing? This, all of these small things can fit in a little box that I can hide away. So I'm busy making the box, but so until I get the pump thing, I'm not gonna do hand cream because this is glass, so it's gonna be too difficult to get the hand cream out. So I'm just gonna put hand wash, just soap in here. So I've just got that one over there that I'm going to put in here. This is quite watery, so it's not the best, but for now it'll have to do. That size bottle looks a bit like medicine. It looks like Gaviscon or something. So my really good friend Dennis has a printing company, so I had him print these very nice prints for me. I just got these literally off Google Images to put in the bathroom. So I'm gonna ask him to print the labels for the soap as well, so that it doesn't look like Gaviscon. So this is the print that I chose. I wanted it to be kind of greens and blues and teals to match with the wall and the color scheme. Oops, I'm just consulting my picture now. The frame's supposed to be on the top. Okay, so I don't have either of those things, but okay, so ear buds, toothbrushes, cotton pads. So the cotton pads that I've got are these certified organic. I just got these from Discam, so I need cotton pads for my toner. I use this African Extracts Rooibos brand. I really like this brand. And these are made using recycled paper. These are my earbuds, and then toothbrush. Oh, the toothpaste needs to go in this box as well. Okay, we're compromising a bit here because I didn't have what I wanted yet. So this I made. I literally made this with clay. These candles don't really match, but it brings in the lighter colors from that. And then this is a handmade little statue that Palmer brought me back from Zim the last time we went 2 years ago. It's real marble. So the color scheme that we're going for is dark brown, black, white, and teal. So the bin matches the brown bottles, and then that's black and black, and then teal and green vibes kind of matches the toothbrushes. This basket, this waste basket, actually brought a packet to put in it. This basket I got from a site called Basketly, and I really like it. Very cool.